Beginning with the name of Allah, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Here we discuss structural and magnetic properties of cobalt iron tin Husler alloy synthesized by hydrothermal method. In this presentation, I will discuss about the aim, objective, brief introduction, synthesis techniques, results, and conclusion of this research. The alloys are named after Fritz Husler, 19th century German mining engineers and chemists. Husler compounds offer potential as spintronic device due to their spin polarization and half metallicity properties. Husler alloy are important class of material. They show very fascinating properties and have a large application in magnetic number of memory device. The main objective motivation of choosing this material is the interesting property in different spin channels. Husler alloys show different behavior in both spin channels. If the metallic in one spin channel and then will be semiconductor in other spins. Spintronic device is the study of intrinsic spin of the electron and its associated magnetic moment in addition to its fundamental electronic charge in solid state device. Full Husler alloy general formula X to YZ and having 2:1:1 stoichiometry. Half Husler alloy structure of crystallized general formula XYZ and having 1:1:1 stoichiometry. Half Husler alloy structure of crystallized. Any substance that acts as a conductor to electron of one spin orientation, but as insulator or semiconductor to those of the opposite orientation. Curie point, also called Curie temperature, temperature at which certain magnetic material undergo a sharp change in their magnetic properties about 570 degrees centigrade. Spin polarization is the degree to which the intrinsic angular momentum of elementary particles is aligned with a given direction. A thermoelectric device creates voltage when there is a different temperature on each side. The thermoelectric effects is the direct conversion of temperature difference to electric power and vice. When temperature difference are converted directly into electricity, this is called seed bed effect. Optoelectronic device can convert one energy form to the other. These devices produced by light expanding electrical energy. Optoelectronic device includes telecommunication, lasers, optical fiber, LED, traffic lights, photodiodes, and solar cells. Majority of the optoelectric device direct conversion between electrons and the photons are LED, laser diodes, photodiodes, and solar cells. Spin electronic device is the study of the intrinsic spin of the electrons and is associated magnetic moment. To study the magnetization of ferromagnetic Husler alloy, we use ML techniques. Thank you so much.